Okay. Next, cinema day. Okay, program name is cinema day. That means you can decide the day is cinema day or not. How to decide that is cinema day or not means you can accept the practice of showing. There is a practice of showing a cinema in auditorium of a college on a cinema day. A cinema day is a day where the sum of day, month, year should be divisible by product of 3 and 4. And the day, month, year యాడ్ చేసి ఆ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ 3 and 4తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుందో లేదో చూడాలి. అండ్ దట్ పర్టికులర్ డే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మస్ట్ బి 50 to 100. 50 to 100 మధ్యలోనే ఉండాలి. దెన్ యూ కెన్ డిసైడ్ దట్ ఈస్ డే ఈజ్ సినిమా డే, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ ఏ సినిమా డే. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఇన్పుట్? డే, మంత్, ఇయర్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. దట్స్ ఏ 4 inputs. డే, మంత్, ఇయర్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. Scanner S equals to new scanner of system dot in. Okay, what is input? You can take 4 values: day, month, year and number of students. That's why int d equals to sc dot next inter. Next int month equals to sc dot next inter. Int y equals to sc dot next inter. Next int number of students, int n equals to sc dot next inter. Up to this my input is completed. What is the requirement? Sum of day, month, year should be divisible by. That's why I want to calculate sum of day, month, year. Int d equals to day plus month plus year. That sum of day, month, year should be divisible by product of 3 and 4. That's why product of 3 and 4 means 3 into 4. Well, if t modulus 12 double equal to 0 and number of students greater than 50 and number of students less than 100, then system dot out dot println cinema day. Else system dot out dot println not a cinema day. Like that. Run and save. Then it is working. Okay.